If you're looking for a functional SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at the certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Upland in Stingray. With black headlamp bezel finish, black gloss honeycomb grille, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, gloss black roof rails, gloss black exterior accents, black lens tail lamps, an 8-way power driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 14,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone automatic temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, a power liftgate, a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5521.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.